Today I'm going to start with a quote from Fedji. Remember this: wherever you are, wherever you may be, there is a door into your innermost being. Enter fully into the depths of infinite being, where you will merge with truth, oneness, and peace. Welcome to Nature Works Under the Tree series. Today we are again out in nature, enjoying the beautiful energy from the sun. The joy and the uplift that we feel out in nature can change who we are. From feeling down, from feeling disharmony, if you come out in nature, breathe the air, the fresh oxygen. Listen to the birds sing. Find the unity and harmony that we have with nature. We are nature. We come from nature. We eat the food of nature. We have a harmony and resonance in this vibratory state. When we come out to the sun, we feel the sun's energy. This gives us a boost. This gives us uplift, inspiration. It makes us feel like life is worth living. Right now, we have a questioning going on amongst humanity. Many of us are feeling a disharmony, a strangeness in our lives. Why is this? Why are we feeling this disharmony, discord, uncomfortableness? There is a lot of artificial intelligence coming out right now. Technology seems to be uprising while humanity seems to decrease. Why is this? Is this where we want to take our planet, our living, our earth? Do we want it to be full of robots and technology? Where does this leave humanity, the natural being of who we are? Ask yourself, do I feel at my joy, at my peace, in the state of being I am in right now? Do I sit on the computer all day long communicating through a screen, which is a 2D dimension? Do I sit all day texting to my friends? Our communication is in 2D. Even you and I right now are communicating in 2D, because this is a way to communicate through a large population of people. However, when you feel the resonance, when you speak to your friends, when you're in the company of nature or family, other human beings, what's natural on this earth, there's a peaceness, there's a truth, a calmness, and a oneness. Now is the time to ask ourselves, where is our harmony? Where is our truth? And where is the resonance? Is it in nature, in the natural being of who we are? Or is it in technology? So the two words of the week are nature and humanity, or AI and technology. Where do we see the future? Do you feel the natural sense of unity? Or do you feel a discord, a strangeness, an uncomfortableness when you put your hands on a tree or in the earth? This is a grounding. This is actually a therapy, a way to heal our bodies. Do we ask ourselves why? Question everything right now. And wherever you feel joy and harmony and you have a resonance of peacefulness, this is where we must choose. So this week, think about, am I in the 2D world? Am I texting? Am I typing? Am I communicating through a screen? Or am I moving into the 5th dimension of where we are? Our world is moving now. The 5th dimension is a unity of us all. It is a unity of nature, of oneness, of harmony, and of love. Find the love in your heart. Find the love in each other. Find the love in nature. Nature Works Under the Tree series. Thank you for tuning in and joining me every week for inner contemplation, being one with nature, and finding your truth and inner joy. Have a beautiful week and join me again next week for more inspiration and ways of finding harmony between us all. And remember to keep breathing. When you breathe, you feel joy.